Island is home to about 10 lighthouses, and this is one of them. The Lover's Leap Lighthouse, which stands 1,600 feet above sea level, is located in what once was the largest parish in Jamaica. Today, we're going on an exciting excursion to explore the Breadbasket Parish, starting right here at Lover's Leap. Welcome to St. Elizabeth.
In the 18th century, Lover's Leap, there was a plantation, and there were slaves working on that plantation. And you had, how it got its name was that there were two lovers, Tunky and Mizzy, who fell in love. And the slave master really wanted Mizzy for himself. And those two lovers they found out that they wanted to separate them both. And they decided that before they got separated, they ran away. And they found themselves at this cliff, which is 1,700 feet above sea level. And they just decided to jump. They rather die than be separated. So January 2018, Jakes took over the management of Lover's Leap. And today we have a full restaurant and bar. Every day we do offer a tour of the grounds, giving the story of the two lovers. We're also looking into having a guided tour down to the bottom of the cliff and back up, which can take you maybe about 3.5 hours for the entire tour.
Crocodiles are one of Jamaica's endangered species and one of the oldest animals in the world. Here at the Black River Safari, you can not only learn more about the crocodiles, but it is said that you can get a little up close and personal with these amazing animals.
Presently, we're on the Black River, and this is Jamaica's longest navigable river. It is 44 miles long, about 70 kilometers. As you can see, it's smiling, showing off those 68 teeth, 38 at the top and 30 at the bottom, which is very sharp enough to rip through both flesh and bones. So throughout the crocodile's lifetime, they will relocate themselves for a source of food, for mating, or if they're just being bullied by a more bigger and a more aggressive crocodile. This is Christian. This is one of the male crocodile that we have released from our nursery. Don't run. Yeah. In total, so far from that facility, we have released actually 118 crocodiles now.
So we are getting a little bit of rain out here in the safari, but it's still an amazing experience.
On land, the crocodile can do a top speed of up to 50 kilometers an hour, but only for a short distance. They get tired easily. In the water, they swim pretty fast as well. So you would not be able to outrun or to outswim one, which you don't have to do. You only need to move faster than the person next to you. Well, that's the easier way.
I legit feel like a daredevil after this experience. However, if this isn't for you, I'm sure our next stop has something for the entire family.
It's relaxing, and you can just sit and what you like. You like lions, you like birds, you like monkeys, what you like. We attract visitors from all over the world. When I say all over the world, name it. And it is very interactive, as you saw today, where the kids having a lot of fun. And I chose St. Elizabeth because of the location. It's actually in the center of Jamaica, where it's easy for the persons from Montego to access, persons from Kingston, and even from like Otrius. Outside of that, the habitats, as you can see, a lot of trees. It's like country. It's like, you know, it's right for the animals.
We've been on the road all day, learning, touring, and exploring, simply having a blast. And I bet you're wondering where to next. Just be patient. Let me enjoy my coconut from Miss Sharon right here in Holland Bamboo. We'll soon reach. St. Elizabeth has many secrets, and this is one of them. The Breadnut Valley Estate, which spans over 76 acres, is home to 7 natural falls, created by this river, which flows from the Cockpit country through to the Black River. The estate is located right between Newton and Magotty here in St. Elizabeth. As the sun sets on an immaculate day, I'm here surrounded by a pristine coastline. Our journey today ends here at Floyd's Pelican Bar, which is situated about a mile or so off the south coast. Good vibes, good people, and an awesome structure.
I'm from St. Elizabeth and I think it's the best. So on the Pelican Bar located in it, which is a very nice attraction since year 2001. And I think it's a one-of-a-lifetime experience and a visit to come over and see what it's like. And we're located in southwest St. Elizabeth in a fishing village called Pelican.
There's somewhere here in St. Elizabeth for everyone, so just take a turn off round the bend and have some fun.